Hello friends, welcome to SSP Math. Next problem of series solution is find the series solution of the differential equation y double dash minus xy dash plus x square y equal to 0. We know that y double dash is d2y by dx square and y dash is dy by dx. Means we have to solve differential equation d2y by dx square minus x dy by dx plus x square y equal to 0. So this differential equation is of this form: p0 of x d2y by dx square plus p1 of x into dy by dx plus p2 of x into y is equal to 0. So what is the value of p0 of x here? p0 of x is 1. So p0 of 0 is also 1. Means if you put x equal to 0 in this function, then that is 1, so not equal to 0. And therefore from this we can say that x equal to 0 is ordinary point, and if ordinary point exists, then we can take solution of given differential equation, that is power series. Means if we take, suppose here y is equal to summation of k varies from 0 to infinity ak into x raised to k be the solution of equation 1. Okay, now for given differential equation, if we take y equal to this, then what we want again dy by dx and d2y by dx square. So take derivative of this, then from this we can write dy by dx is equal to summation of, in dy by dx we have to take k starts from 1 to infinity, ak is constant, derivative of x raised to k is again k into x raised to k minus 1, and next one is d2y by dx square is equal to summation of k starts from 2, in d2y by dx square k starts from 2 to infinity, ak is constant, k is constant, derivative of x raised to k minus 1 is k minus 1 into x raised to k minus 2. Now put these values in given differential equation here, and therefore given differential equation becomes, first one is d2y by dx square, that is ak k minus 1 x to the power k minus 2 minus x into dy by dx, that is summation of k varies from here d2y by dx square is summation of k varies from 2 to infinity ak into k minus 1 x raised to k minus 2 minus x into dy by dx. The value of dy by dx is summation of k varies from 1 to infinity ak k x raised to k minus 1 plus x square into y is summation of k starts from 0 to infinity ak into x to the power k equal to 0. So this is the power series of given differential equation. Now using this we have to find constants. Now we have to make power of x m in each series. First here x multiply a, here x square multiply a, so write one more step here, summation of k varies from 2 to infinity ak k into k minus 1 x to the power k minus 2, write as it is. Now if we write this x under series, then this becomes minus summation of k varies from 1 to infinity ak k x into x to the power k minus 1 is x to the power k, because here k minus 1 plus 1 power of x this one, if we take addition of power 1 get cancel, plus summation of k varies from 0 to infinity ak into x to the power k plus 2, again take power of addition of power is equal to 0. Now we have to make in each series power of x m. So when we get power of x m here, if we put k is equal to m plus 2, then m plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. When we get power of x is m here, if we put k equal to m, and when we get power of x m here, if we put k equal to m minus 2 in this series. Okay, so rewrite again this step, that is summation of m varies from, now if you put k equal to m plus 2, k equal to 2, if you take k equal to 2, then 2 get cancelled, m equal to 0. So m starts from 0, ak, that is a m plus 2 into m plus 2, k equal to m plus 2 into here k minus 1, that is m plus 2 minus 1, m plus 1 into x to the power m plus 2 minus 2, that is m, minus here we have to put k equal to m. So summation of k equal to m means m equal to, m varies from 1 to infinity, a m x to the power m. And same here, if you put k equal to m minus 2, then we will get, for k equal to 0, here m equal to 2. So plus summation of m starts from 2 to infinity, am minus 2 into x to the power m equal to 0. Now after this step, देखो स्टूडेंट, इस स्टेप के बाद की जो स्टेप है, दैट स्टेप इज इम्पोर्टेंट हियर. क्या करने का, यहाँ पर देखो m 2 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, यहाँ पर 1 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, यहाँ पर 0 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. तो जो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू होती है m की, मीन्स यार m इक्वल टू 2a, तो ये जो सीरीज है, ये दोनों सीरीज m 2 से स्टार्ट होनी चाहिए. मीन्स वी हैव टू एक्सपांड हियर, m स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 0, so we have to write m varies from 2 to infinity. Here also m varies from 2 to infinity. Here already m varies from 2 to infinity. So we have to make this same. So for that we have to expand first series for m equal to 0 and then m equal to 1. Okay. So how we write this series for m equal to 0 first? Here if you put m equal to 0, then we will get a2 into 2, because 0 plus 2 is 2, 0 plus 1 is 1, into x to the power 0 is 1, plus m equal to 1, 1 plus 2, 3, that is a3, 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 1 is 2 into x, and plus summation of m varies from now 2 to infinity, because 0 and 1 के लिए मैंने एक सीरीज क्या की, एक्सपांड की, and m varies from 2 to infinity, this am plus 2, m plus 2, m plus 1, x to the power m as it is. Same now this series, here m starts from 1, we want m from 2, so expand this series for m equal to 1. So minus, if you put m equal to 1 here, a1 into 1 into x, and minus, plus minus minus, summation of m equal to now 2 to infinity, because 1 के लिए expand किए am x to the power m. Same this series, here already m 2 से start हो रहा है, so write as it is, m varies from 2 to infinity, am minus 2 x to the power m equal to 0. Now equating the coefficient of constant term, then x square up to so on x raised to m from LHS and RHS. So what is the constant term in LHS? Here 2a2 again, no more terms are there in LHS, so only 2a2. In RHS constant term is 0, so 2a2 equal to 0 implies a2 equal to 0. Okay, then next one is coefficient of x, that is this 6a3 minus a1 equate with 0, because in RHS no terms are there. So 6a3 minus a1 equal to 0, this implies a3 is equal to a1 by 3, a3 is equal to a1 by 3, a3 equal to, not a1 by 3, here 6 a1 by 6. Okay, and then equate the coefficient of x raised to m. Now here in this series m starts from 2, here also m starts from 2, here also m starts from 2, and in all three series, under series x to the power m, x to the power m, x to the power m present, we can take this common, we can combine these three series, and if we equate the coefficient of x raised to m with RHS, in RHS x raised to m is not there, so RHS is 0. So first one is am plus 2 into m plus 2 m plus 1. This is the coefficient of x raised to m. From this series minus am into m, and from this series plus am minus 2, equate this with 0, and from this try to write recurrence relation. So how we write recurrence relation now? That is am plus 2 into m plus 2 m plus 1, okay, is equal to am into m minus am minus 2, and therefore we have to write recurrence relation here. Am plus 2 is equal to, therefore am plus 2 into m plus 2 m plus 1. Yes, that right directly here. Am plus 2 is equal to am into m minus am minus 2 upon m plus 2 into m plus 1. So if we separate numerator here, then this can be written as m upon m plus 2 into m plus 1 into am minus 1 upon m plus 2 into m plus 1 into am minus 2, and LHS is am plus 2. So this is the recurrence relation, that is am plus 2 in terms of am and am minus 2. Now using this recurrence relation we have to find another constant. We already find a2 is 0, a3 is a1 by 6, means we get constants up to a3, so we have to find a4. So for a4 we have to put here, means m is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So if we put m equal to 2, then we will get here a4 is equal to 2 upon 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 1, 3 into a2 minus 1 upon 2 plus 2, 4, 4 into 3 into a0. But what is the value of a2? a2 is 0. a2 is 0. If you put here, then this term is 0. So a4 is equal to minus a0 upon 12. Then put m equal to 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So a5 is equal to 3 upon 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 1 is 4 into a3 minus 1 upon 3 plus 2 is 5 into 4 into a1. Now what is the value of a3? a3 is a1 by 6. a3 is a1 by 6. So if we put here, then this becomes 3 upon 20 into a1 by 6. a3 is equal to a1 by 6 minus 1 upon 20 into a1. So we can take here a1 common. If we take a1 common, this 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, then we will get 20 into 2 is 40, means 1 by 40 minus 1 by 20 into a1. So if we take LCM 40 here, we have to multiply and divide by 2. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1, that is minus 1 upon 40 into a1. So we will get here a5 is equal to minus 1 by 40 into a1. Similarly, if we put m equal to 4, then we will get a6, a7 and so on. Okay, therefore now we have to write solution of given differential equation. And solution of given differential equation क्या assume किया था हमने? y is equal to summation of k varies from 0 to infinity ak x raised to k. So if we expand this series for k equal to 0 to infinity, then we will get a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus so on. So keep a0 and a1 as it is, that is a0 plus a1x keep as it is, and put remaining constants. So a2 is 0 plus a3 is a1 upon 6 into x cube plus a4 is minus a0 upon 12 into x raised to 4 plus a5 is minus a5 is, what is the value of a5 here? a5 is minus 1 by 40 into a1 x to the power 5 plus so on. Okay, now observe this carefully. Here a0a, here a0a, and in remaining terms a1a. So if you take a0 common, then instead of this a0 write here 1, and here if you take a0 common, minus x to the power 4 by 12 plus so on into a0. Okay, plus from remaining terms take a1 common, here a1x. So if you take a1 common from this, then we will get x. From this if you take a1 common, plus x cube by 6. Same here, if you take a1 common, minus x raised to 5 by 40 plus so on into a1. So this is the final solution of given linear differential equation, that is y equal to this. Now for practice you try these three problems. First one is 2 minus x square into d2y by dx square plus 2x dy by dx minus 2y equal to 0. If we solve this problem, see in this problem I think a1 और a0 में से एक कांस्टेंट डायरेक्ट जीरो मिलता है हमें, आइदर a1 और a0, एंड वन कांस्टेंट जो होता है वो a2 में मिलता है. सो यू ट्राई दिस. Then this one is also simple, d2y by dx square plus 4y equal to, this is also simple problem. And this one, d2y by dx square minus 4x dy by dx plus 4x square minus 2 into y equal to 0. So you try these three problems at home. Thank you.